Hello, I'm Stefan and I'm the Italian expert at Oliver's Travels, and here are my top 5 picks for 2018. Castle Mago in Tuscany. It is absolutely fantastic hilltop castle, former residence of the Grand Duke of Tuscany, offering fantastic, amazing views of the nearby surrounding area. The anticipation grows as you're entering the private parklands, huge estate of Villa Sartino in Tuscany at the borders of Umbria. As you're encountering the property itself, it's a former residence of the Italian noble, converted into a beautiful villa, tastefully refurbished by its owners, Lady Harrowby herself, a very, very famous designer. Puglia trulli, or traditional Pugliese farmhouses built out of stone, have been an absolute hit this year, and Giuseppe is the villa that combines traditional style with fantastic, marvelous leisure facilities. Villa Buona in Umbria is a restored 14th century church that has been lovingly refurbished by its owner Andrea, who've actually brought in all her collectibles from the travels and made it a family home. Villa Storia estate is located just above Lake Garda, offering absolutely amazing views of the nearby mountains as well as the lake, but it's actually in an close proximity of the romantic city of Verona, where you'll be able to see the Romeo and Juliet balcony.